Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing of something really cool. This is the GPD Micro PC. I believe they are loaning this to the channel, so we'll be sending it back to them when we're done. And we're going to unbox it now and see what this is all about. So inside is the Micro PC here, of course. Now I did turn it on real quick just to make sure everything was in order. When you get this, it's actually going to be wrapped up in everything, but this is a pre-release version. They're selling these on Indiegogo right now for a pre-order price of $300. It will go up by $100 after it comes out, but typically you can find them on sale from various resellers when they come out for probably around $300 or so. It's got an N4100 processor built in. As you can see, it's a very compact design. It's kind of similar in its looks to the GPD Win that we looked at a little while back, but that was a very gaming-centric device. This one they are targeting IT professionals with. So you got that Gemini Lake chip, you got 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabyte SSD inside, which is great. You got some manual fan control here for that processor, full keyboard, a neat little trackpad here. This is a click pad, so I can actually click on that right there, or I can use the mouse controls here on the left, and of course it's got full Wi-Fi support on there. We're going to do a full review of this, of course, on my main channel at lon.tv. So let's take a look at some of the ports on this one. USB 3 here. We've got a micro SD card slot over there. On the other side, there's nothing. On the bottom, you've got a lot of venting here for the processor to keep it cool. And again, you can adjust that fan manually here on the front of the keyboard. Now, it's got a serial port on it because a lot of IT professionals need to connect to things via serial. So that's built right in. So you can basically plug this in and start typing away on a terminal screen. That's pretty useful. HDMI out, 2 USB 3.0 ports. You get USB Type-C here. I think this port is a full service port, so we might be able to do more than just provide power to it. And we've got gigabit Ethernet there too. I believe the storage is upgradable, so we'll take it apart in the full review that we'll be doing soon. And this might be a really useful little device for folks who want a full PC that they can carry around with them and has little compromises brought into the mix with it. So that'll be a fun review, I think, to do. So we're going to start our process there in a couple of hours. Here we've got the charging cable, again, USB-C. Looks like they've got a little lanyard thing so you can hold it without dropping it. And here is the power adapter, just a USB Type-C quick charging power adapter there. And you can see what the voltage and amperages are there as well. So I'm really eager to dig into this thing and see what it can and can't do. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Again, these are selling for about $300 on Indiegogo right now. And if you are looking for one of these, we'll get a good review going in a couple of days so you can make a decision. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.